a lot of us are looking for ways to basically have some tax deductions, right? We want to save as much as we can on taxes. So in this video, I want to talk about 7 types of tax deductible home improvements. There's a lot of different things we think about when we think about tax deductions, but we don't always think about home improvements. So the first home improvement that can be tax deductible is energy efficient upgrades. So there is an energy efficient home improvement credit of up to $3,200 for energy efficient improvements made after January 1st, 2023. The credit for 2024 is 30% of qualified expenses, but there are some limits on it. It could, in addition to, of course, the tax benefit, of course, it could save you on your energy costs, which we're all looking for ways to save on our energy costs these days, that's for sure. You can even do a home energy audit that can get you up to $150 of a tax credit. Install Energy Star's most efficient exterior windows and skylights for a credit of up to $600 based on eligibility. Replacing windows can help improve insulation and reduce the need to run your HVAC system. Installing biomass stoves that meet Energy Star requirements for up to $2,000 credit. And so there's some options there. Clean energy upgrades is another one that you can take a benefit of. Installing a solar water heater, geothermal heat pumps are some examples. Historic homes, there's a rehabilitation tax credit. So if you want to restore a historic home, I mean, there's costs involved in that, obviously, but there's a tax credit there. Medically necessary upgrades. So that can be another option. Improvements that make a home more accommodating for a person with a disability, a spouse or dependents that live in the home. And it can really depend on how much that improvement impacts the home's value. So those are some repairs. Home office repairs and improvements. Again, a home office is a deduction. If you do have a home office that you use for business purposes, so things that you do for your home office can be eligible for a tax credit. If you own rental properties, rental property repairs is another way that you can improve your tax situation. And then finally, capital improvements, something that's going to extend the home's life, add value, or refit the home for new uses. So these are not things like fixing a leak, repairing an old roof. These are things that really add value. So something like adding an extra room to the house, installing a new HVAC system, replace an older one, installing attic insulation, water softeners, things like that could be improvements. So these are just some things to keep in mind. Always consult with your tax professional. But if you are thinking about ways to get some tax deductions, think about some home improvement options. They could be some really good options for you depending on your current home situation. As always, if you know of anyone looking to buy or sell a home in Central Florida, I hope you reach out to me. Remember, you can't miss with Chris. Have a great day, everybody.